Ever felt frustrated because your chords never sound as good as the pros? The key difference is one secret note most players overlook, yet it instantly transforms the mood and the quality of the chords. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is that note, 2 simple but effective variations you can use, and how to integrate them into your playing today. And if you'd like to have the PDF version of this video, you can get it for free down below in the description. To show you how this beautiful pop trick works, I'm going to be using the classic chord progression, the 1-6-4-5 in C major. So we're going to have the C major, so it's C, E, and G. The 6 is going to be A minor, A, C, and E. F is going to be for the 4, so F, A, and C. And the 5th degree is G major, G, B, and D, just like this. Alright, so I'm gonna be using some chord inversion, so try to remember to always practice your chord using chord inversion so it gets you closer to a professional sound. Now let me show you how the first idea sounds like. So this simple trick is based off the second note of the scale of the chord that you're playing. When I started here on C major, I added D right here. So C major is my chord, basically it's those 3 notes, but what I did is I added this one. So why is it working? So D is actually what we call a NAD 9, or in this case could be a NAD 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is an extension that we can use so often in pop and rock music. It's super simple, but it sounds so good the minute you play it. But if we use some chord inversion here, and we start from here, we can actually go this way, and have this beautiful voicing right here that we can play just an octave lower. So basically the A9 that is on the top right here can also be played right here as a voicing. And that's what's happening here. So since this is too big of a stretch for one hand, you can actually play it like this or like this. We're just adding the second note or the 9th note of the scale to the chords here. So that's only one I played here. The first one was a grace note. So what is a grace note? I just played this one super fast and I went straight to the 3rd right here and created this beautiful effect. Then I came back playing all 3 notes here like this. Alright, and the beauty of this is that it works on major, on minor chord. So if I do the same thing here for A minor, it would be the B right here. So this would be the A9. Let's play it lower here. I feel like it sounds so much more dramatic this way. And we can play this and just add this one whenever you like. On F, I actually use this voicing for F. I love having my thumb here. It's easy to have the 9 and the 3rd right here, and then C and the F on the top. That sounds really good. And same thing here on G. So for G's, it's A, B, D, and G. Like this. And back to C. I feel like this note makes it sound pop instantly when you play it. So the first trick here is you can actually add the second note and it's gonna sound really good. It's what we call an A9 or an A2. And just as a reminder, if you'd like to have the PDF version of these ideas, you can download it for free down below in the description. Alright, now for idea number 2, it goes like this. Alright, so for this one, this is kind of similar because we're still using the second note. Again, this is the secret note. The second note of the scale is so useful to create a beautiful pop mood. What's happening here is we're creating a suspension in the chord using the second note. It's called a sus2. So this one, the main difference between the first idea and the second idea is that this one doesn't have the third in the chord. We're actually replacing the third with the second, like this. With the add 9, we were actually adding the second note to the chord, and we kept the third right here. So this is the main difference. Add 9, we have the third and the 9, and the sus2, we only have the 2, and we don't have the 3, which is the third in the chord. So you can actually use this to create some movement. If I just play a regular triad chord, we would stay here. Just like that. I mean, it could be a long time like this, but if I add the sus2, it adds something instantly. You see? Let's do the same thing on the minor, because you can, yes, it works on the minor. Like this. We can do the same thing on F, so we can go here, or I think that what I played was this voicing here. You can even add different rhythm on this. And for G, you can actually go here with the A. And back to C. So, two beautiful variation of using the second note of the scale. It can be an add 9 or a sus2 or an add 2, and you can really create something super beautiful with this, and it sounds instantly pro. Only one note and it transforms your playing. Now that you understand this very powerful trick, you're gonna need this video to learn how to use it.